Okay, if you need to factory reset your Sharp XE-A507, pretty simple. Just remove this cover, and if you look right here, there's a battery compartment. Unplug the register, then take these batteries out and just let it sit. Pop these batteries out. Kind of hard to reach. Okay, and then you just let it sit for about 10 minutes. And then after that 10 minutes is up, you can replace the batteries. Replace the cover. Place your other cover. Okay, and then let's plug this thing back in. And then it should come up. Okay, yeah, it's going to come up with English or Spanish. We'll choose English. And then this is a status. It might look like it's asking for a code here, but that's actually a status bar. It's doing a master reset right now. That's how you know it worked. So yeah, the best reset, there we go. And then you can enter in your date, your time, departments, all the other stuff. So the reset here is to take the batteries out, unplug it, leave it out for 5 to 10 minutes, plug it back in, and you're at the setup screen. Thanks for watching.